Hey guys, Hickory Rooster here. Today we actually have a different kind of video. Our school is doing a spam competition, like cooking competition with spam, and got some new spam in this box here. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start with the side. If I can get into it here. And now I'll go down the middle. As you can see, we got this from Amazon Prime Pantry. Kudos to them. Thank you very much for sending this over. And we have to pay for it, but it's still really cool. Alright, as we get into the box, you can see there are 2 containers of spam, along with a lot of bubbles. Okay, so now we got 2 containers of Hickory smoked spam. Alright, and there we are, and I will catch you all later. Thank you for watching. If you like this, hit that subscribe button, hit the post notification bell, and we'll see you later.